Hi everyone, welcome to mycutetoons. Grab your favorite marker, come along with me and let's draw our favorite characters together. Today we're going to draw BJ. And we're going to draw with a pencil first, and then we're going to cover our lines with a marker. Now I'm going to start with BJ's nose. First thing we're going to do, we're going to draw an upper curve like this. And remember, just do it roughly. We're going to do a nostril on this side as well. And on the other side, we'll draw another nostril. And then inside, we're going to do the inner nostril and then of course here as well. And then right down below, we're going to start right here and we're going to do the lower part of the nose. Now that we have that, we're going to start and we're going to draw a nice open mouth right here. And then inside we can draw a little tongue as well, like this. And then of course the chin. Now that we have this part, we're going to start drawing the cheeks. Now I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a cheek going out, and then on this side we're going to do the same thing as well. Now I'm going to start maybe up here and I'm just going to draw it nice and round and big like this. Now on this side I have it a bit lower, so maybe you see I made a mistake. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make it a bit bigger like this. And that's what you can do. Later on we can take an eraser and we can erase all these lines. Now from here I'm just going to draw a little smile up, and here as well. You're just going to do that, and then we're just going to draw the little hooks. And now we're going to jump on top. We're going to start here and we're going to draw the eye roughly there, and about the same size another eye, and then inside we're going to draw the pupils as well. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a little light reflection there and one there, a light reflection and a light reflection. And now we can draw BJ's cap. I'm just going to connect the lines here between the eyes. And then on this side, we're going to go, and you're just going to draw the cap. A little line going out like this. Then we're going to draw a line going up. And then from here, you can just draw a little cap. And then right on top, there's maybe a little button as well. Now, BJ's got some hair going up here. So we're just going to draw hair standing up there as well. Great. We can just connect this to the head. And this one I'll leave open. So now we're going to draw the sides of the head here for BJ, and I'm just going to draw a little line going all the way around like this. And on this side we can do sort of the same thing, and here I'll just make it open like this, and this place I'll just make some line like that as well. Right, now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw BJ's body. Now I'm going to start here at the bottom and I'm going to make a nice round shape about there. And then I'm going to go from the chin and I'm just going to make it round. And on this side we're going to make it round as well. And there we have a nice belly. And then we're going to do the sides of BJ's body. So we're going to do this. And then of course on this side you're going to do the same thing. Now from here I'm going to draw a hand. So I'm just drawing a little finger and another finger, and I'm bringing the arm up. On this side, we're going to draw a thumb and a hand. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to draw a little thumb there, right there. And I'm going to bring a line back to the body. And then on this side, what we're going to do is, I'll just draw the hand like this. And I'm just going to bring it back to the body like that. Good. Now on this side, we're going to start and we're going to draw a leg. And on this side, we're going to do the same thing, a leg as well. Now here right below the belly, I'm just going to make another line like this, and I'm just going to bring a straight line down. You see, and there we have the two legs. Maybe there's going to be a few spots here for BJ on his legs, and let's do the same on this side as well. 2 spots. So the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to draw an oval, and I'm going to copy this oval here as well, like this. And then we're going to do this. So there we have some shoelaces, and on this side as well, this one, and there's the other shoelace, and we're just going to finish off with these shoelaces like this, and on this side as well. We're going to close off, and then on top we're going to draw sort of the lip of the top shoes. So we're going to connect this, bring this down. Now what I want you to do is draw the shoes. We're going to draw a line out, draw another line out, and remember, don't worry if you make a mistake. Make it nice and round there, and let's bring it around maybe to here, and let's bring this one around to there, and we can just connect it like this. And there we got the shoes, and I'll just do the inside of the shoe there and on there as well. And there we got BJ's shoes. Now next we're going to take a marker and we're going to go over the lines. So if I made any mistakes, I'm just going to rectify it with my marker now. Now let's start. So I'm going to start first with the nose. Then we're going to go up, over, and then I'm going to follow this curve down below. I'm going to complete the smile there and there. I'm just going to draw the little dimples, the open mouth, and I'm going to make the jaw a little bit bigger or a little bit wider like this. Now I'm just going to, let's do the tongue first, and then I'm going to fill in. There we go. Then we'll fill everything in, and then right here I'm going to draw the eyes. Now I'm going to make it a little bit better, a little bit rounder, and I think this one also a little bit better and rounder. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go with the pupil, and I'm going to cut out the light reflection, and I'm going to go back. Now on this one I can do the same thing, so I'm going to go up, cut out that light reflection, and I'm going to make a bigger light reflection there and there, and then I'm going to fill the pupil in. We're going to draw BJ's hair, bring it back, maybe connect it like this. And now we're going to do the little button on top. I'll make it a bit bigger, make the hat a little bit bigger as well, like that. And then I'm going to make the front part of the cap also a little bit bigger, and I'm going to connect it like this. You see, and I make everything, I make some minor changes, so I like it. A bit bigger there, and here I'm going to make it also a little bit wider to the bottom. So I'm rounding it off. So my pencil marks is just the guideline for me, and you can do the same. I'm going to start here on top. Maybe I'll change it a little, maybe like this, and maybe a little bit down. And on this side I'm just going to continue with it, and I'm probably going to take it up to there. Now right here I'm just going to make it a little bit thicker, and maybe I can do something here as well, maybe just like that. Now we're going to go to the body. Now I'm going to make it a little bit different, the shape. See, there we go. And you see I'm rectifying it the way I like it now. And here I'm going to bring it a bit closer, I'm going to bring it a bit wider out, and on this side a bit closer and a bit wider out, there. And then we're just going to carry on like this, and I'm going to draw my little spots. There's two. Let's make this spot number 3 a little bit smaller, and I'll do this, and I'll just make a half circle there, and I'll make a small one there. Now fingers again, 2 fingers, bring it back, little thumb, there, 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 connect it back to the body, and bring this one up to the top. Yeah, I think that looks great. I'm going to make the leg, I'm going to do the leg here. Maybe I'll bring the leg a little bit out there, a little bit bigger. Give BJ a little bit of a shape. And I'll just draw this one down in the middle. Now what I'm going to do, maybe I'll make some changes. So maybe I'll do this one a little bit smaller. And I'm just going to draw the shoelace. And I'll draw the shoelace here as well. And then of course the tongue of the shoe right there. And this one a little bit smaller. The shoelace. And then of course the tongue. Right. Draw the shoe here and here. We bring it down. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to try to sort of make it about the same size like this. Yeah, connect it back and then connect this line back as well. And then I'll do the same here and here as well. We'll make it nice and round. Great. Now there's BJ. Now the next thing you're going to do, you're going to wait for the lines to dry, for your ink to dry, and then you're going to take your eraser and you're going to erase all the pencil lines, and then you can color BJ in. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.